you going? I'm Leah from Leah's Cookbook Ideas. Today in this video, I'm going to talk about tapioca pearls, or also known as starch pearls, that you get in your bubble tea at most Asian bubble tea places. So, I have figured out the reason why my tapioca pearls, you can get the black ones or the white ones that turn clear. I was always wondering why they're disintegrating when I put them in cold water. The reason is because it has to be boiling water, not cold water, because as soon as you put tapioca pearls in cold water, they disintegrate because of the flour in the tapioca. So it needs to be hot and boiling before you put them in. So I'm going to show you how I make my pearls and cook them, and I'm also going to show you how I make my taro milk tea that I absolutely love with pearls or tapioca pearls. So let's go and I'll show you how I do it. So this is what the tapioca pearls or starch balls look like before they are cooked, and you get them in packets. You can buy them from Coles, Woolworths, or an Asian grocers. Okay, here I have got my tapioca pearls, also known as starch balls. So I started them off in boiling water, as much boiling water as you need, and I put 1 cup of white pearls that turn into clear pearls, and I brought some brown pearls or tapioca pearls, and I boiled them for 1 hour, and then I covered them, took them off the heat, and let them sit for another hour. Never put them in cold water, otherwise they'll fall apart and disintegrate and turn into mush. So over here I'm making a syrup for my pearls to sit in. After I drain them, I'm going to put them in my syrup. So what's in my syrup is 1 cup of brown sugar and 1.5 cups of water, and I'm going to boil it for about 2 minutes so it got all the sugar dissolves, and then I'm going to put the drained tapiocas into the syrup and let it cook for about 10 minutes, and then I'm going to store it in a container. I'll show you when I've done that. I'm just rinsing my tapioca pearls. So you make sure you rinse them wet before you put them in your syrup to get all the extra starch off. And look how much it makes. It makes it a lot for 2 cups of pearls. So here is my drained and washed pearls. I'm about to add the sugar syrup to it that I've made, but I've picked out the ones that didn't cook all the way through, and I've just put them in a cup to the side. I've got about 1/2 cup there. So now I'm going to add the syrup to it and cook it for about 10 minutes. And I am going to make myself a taro milk tea with pearls. Yum-oh. So here I am adding the syrup. Going to give it a mix and let it cook for 10 minutes. So it's just simmering away for 10 minutes. I'm just going to talk about my taro milk tea that I absolutely love. I got this on eBay, and it's just taro powder. So I add about 1.5 teaspoons of this to some boiling water, and then I get a cup. I fill it with ice and milk, and I add my taro powder that I mix in the water, and I add it to the cup of milk with some sugar syrup, give it a mix, and then add my pearls, and voila! I'll show you the end product after. Alrighty, here is the end product, and I've just poured it all in there, and I'm going to store it in my little glass jar. Okay, so I'm going to make my taro milk tea for myself. Here is my bubble tea taro powder I've got here. So I've got 1.5 tablespoons of taro powder here, and I'm going to pour some hot water in it, and I'm going to give it a mix like so till it's all done. Okay, that is all dissolved now. I have my 1 shot of sugar syrup here. If you want sugar, more sugar, why not add it? I have my pearls that I just made, so I'm going to put them in the cup first. Like there you go. I'm going to add my taro powder that I just made. I'm going to add my sugar syrup. I'm going to give that a little mix so it's all combined. Ooh, this is going to be delicious. I'm going to add my milk. And then I'm going to add my ice. So there you go, guys. How easy was that? I'm just going to have a sip. Tell you how it tastes. Oh, yum. Oh. So if you love this video, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time for another fun video. Cheers. I'll continue drinking this. Yum. Oh. And there's the pearls.